and things like this. I said, how come, what's going on? How come people aren't terrified? And he looked at me and says, because people don't care.
Is your cash still sitting in the banks? Take it out immediately. It is losing value. I like to think of inflation as the silent thief. It's no secret that inflation is robbing those who still keep their cash in the bank. Keeping money in the bank is no longer a wise choice. According to many financial experts, there is a growing fear of hyperinflation coming, and the global economy may plunge into a financial crisis. So what can you do instead of holding cash in the bank? Do your future self a favor by staying with us till the end to learn about 3 assets that can save you. 1. Create wealth with real estate.
And so we told you house prices are not going to tank. As a matter of fact, they're probably going to go up in 2023 about 7%.
You cannot discuss investment and wealth creation without talking about real estate. There are so many reasons for you to invest your money in this venture. Let me tell you just a few of them. One of the primary reasons why real estate is a worthy investment option is the opportunity to diversify your assets. As Robert Kiyosaki wisely said, real estate investing, even on a very small scale, remains a tried and true means of building an individual's cash flow and wealth. Investing in real estate allows you to create a hedge against inflation and grow your wealth through property appreciation, rental income, and tax advantages at the same time. In addition, real estate allows you to generate continuous cash flow that greatly surpasses the interest rate you will get from banks. This cash flow can be reinvested or used for various purposes, helping you achieve financial freedom in the long term. Another advantage of investing in real estate is the ability to utilize leverage effectively. Real estate provides several chances to use leverage by obtaining mortgages or partnering with other investors, which allows you to control and benefit from properties beyond your current financial means. This leverage amplifies your overall return on investment and boosts your wealth. Conversely, real estate investment allows your ownership of tangible assets with the potential for appreciation. Unlike holding cash in the bank, where its value erodes over time, real estate properties will continue to appreciate, especially over the long term. As Robert Kiyosaki advises, real estate investing is a business, and you should treat it as such. Buying properties in strategic places with growth potential will allow you to enjoy substantial capital appreciation. 2. God's own money.
Gold is God's money. Gold and silver have been here since the earth was formed, and it'll be here long after we're all gone.
I refer to this asset as God's own money because they are mostly natural resources or commodities. It's another potential asset that can change how you think about your finances. Commodities are tangible assets or products that can be purchased and sold, such as gold, silver, oil, gas, and precious minerals. Let's explore how choosing to invest in commodities can be a life-changing choice. One advantage of investing in commodities is the potential to preserve and even grow your wealth. Unlike cash, which depends on economic factors to grow or depreciate, commodities hedge against inflation and other economic challenges. Commodities such as gold hold their value, making them a reliable store of wealth. Also, commodities such as precious minerals have high demand. Therefore, you have the opportunity to tap into global demand. Commodity prices depend on geopolitical events, international economic demands, and supply and demand. With emerging markets witnessing rapid development, the demand for commodities including oil, natural gas, and metals will rise over time. It is a smart investment. Investing in commodities ensures you earn higher rewards than keeping cash in your savings account. For example, agricultural commodities can lead to rental income from leasing farmland, while investing in precious metals can earn dividends through price appreciation from mining companies. The income stream from these sources will significantly boost your total investment returns to levels keeping cash in the bank can't match. You will be amazed by how much money you can make from this investment. While we have shown you 2 incredible ways to invest your money, we are not done yet. The third one is a real game changer. 3. The power of ETFs. Investing in exchange-traded funds is gaining popularity in recent times, and you will know why that's happening here. ETFs are asset funds traded on stock exchanges, similar to stocks. However, they differ from stocks because ETFs have higher liquidity. Also, they are designed to track the performance of a specific index or a collection of assets instead of one company, like stocks, giving investors exposure to diversify portfolios in a single investment. One of the reasons ETFs have been gaining popularity is their track record of outperforming holding cash. In the long term, ETFs have consistently outperformed cash deposited regarding return on investment. Although cash can appear more secure, it is often powerless against inflation, resulting in a loss of value. Alternatively, ETFs have the potential to generate a better substantial return, which allows your wealth to grow over an extended period. Also, investing in ETFs allows you to invest in a basket of different stocks or assets. Diversification spreads your investment across various industries and sectors, reducing risks compared to keeping all that money in the bank. Therefore, you have a better chance of mitigating the impact of potential losses. How cool is that? Most importantly, ETFs offer a high level of liquidity, benefiting investors who prefer flexibility. Different from cash in the bank account, you can sell your ETF shares at any time during the trading day, so you can access your investment whenever you want. Interestingly, investors can use various trading strategies, such as limit orders and stop-loss orders, to trade ETFs, since they are traded on stock exchanges. So you can effectively manage risks better. However, you should consider your financial goals and risk tolerance before investing in ETFs. The general belief that your money is safe in the bank and that it is growing in value due to interest turns out not to be true due to rising inflation. Therefore, it's time to look elsewhere to grow your wealth. Your future self will thank you.